Okay, we're going to do a quick little example of synthetic division. A quick example of synthetic division. We're going to consider this polynomial and we're going to divide it by 3x minus 1. Well, in doing that, I'm going to consider that if this was a factor, and if I was going to take this scenario and change it to 3x minus 1 equals 0, that means x would be 1/3. That's the value I'm going to use to divide. So I'm going to go 1/3, put it in a little square here, and then I'm going to look at all the coefficients here. So I get 3, 11, 8, and 7. Line here, I'm going to write down the 3, and I'm just going to multiply and add. So 3 times 1/3 is 1. Add them, I get 12. 3 times 12, or 1/3 times 12, gives me 4. 8 times 4, or 8 plus 4, gives me 12. Again, I get a 4, add them up, and I get 11. So now what this all means is that this is a polynomial. This is, if this is x cubed, this is 1 less, so x squared. So this is a 3x squared plus 12x plus 12. I know if I take this, multiply it by multiply it by x minus 1/3, and I add 11 more, that will be exactly 3x cubed plus 11x squared plus 8x plus 7. These two multiply plus this. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. Okay. Continue this problem. It says, then calculate p at 1/3. Well, if I'm going to do p at 1/3, let's get some space here. I know that I can do this. If I'm going to do p at 1/3, change into blue, well, it's going to be 1/3 p. It's going to be 3 1/3 cubed plus 11 1/3 squared plus 8 times 1/3 plus 7. If I throw this entire calculation to my calculator, I do it quickly, I end up with 11. Interesting. Interesting. There must be a relationship. That'll be one talked about later.